Have you ever wondered, is that thing even working? Oh, it just blinked. Red. Is that bad? Should I be worried? Why do we put up with this? Meet Nest Protect. It's designed with advanced technology to sense smoke and carbon monoxide. Can give you an early warning before an alarm.
Heads up, there's smoke in the kitchen.
And if you know everything's okay, you don't have to run around trying to quiet it down. Just hush it from your phone.
Smoke alarm silenced.
Nest Protect tells you where the danger is, so you know what to do and where to go.
Emergency. There's carbon monoxide in the living room. Move to fresh air.
And it can send an alert, so you know what's going on, even if you're not home.
The carbon monoxide alarm is over.
At night, it lights your way and shows you it's tested its batteries and everything's okay, so everyone can sleep safe and sound. Nest Protect.
The Kidde plug-in operated carbon monoxide alarm with battery backup protects your family from the dangers of carbon monoxide. It features LED lights, green for normal operation, red for alarm. It also has a tamper-resist feature to alert you if the alarm has come loose from the outlet or has been left unplugged. The Test Reset button will test the unit's operation and allows you to silence the alarm after danger has been addressed. It features a battery backup provided by 2 AA batteries for continuous protection even during power outages. The Kidde plug-in operated carbon monoxide alarm provides your family with an early warning signal to the danger of carbon monoxide.